Good morning parents. By your suggestions and feedback, we may discover new ways regarding these online classes. So if you want to say anything, just contact us. Thank you. So, hi kids. First we are going to complete the circle time. So which month is this? This month is August. What's this? August. And the day is Monday. The day is Monday. Monday. The date is 17. The date is 17. We are going to start the writing sequence because we are running Montessori school. We are using lot of Montessori apparatus. We have proper sequence for pre-writing skills. So these are the apparatus we are using for handwriting. EduEdge pattern board. EduEdge pattern board. Another one is metal insert. And this is for tracing letters, sandpaper. And final is sand tray. For writing, these three fingers are important: thumb finger, index finger and middle finger. So to develop the strength of these muscles, we won't directly give them the pencil. Before that, we give this soft pencils made up of wood. Look at the pencils. It's are coated by the wax. The students must hold the pencil near the line, near this line, and it should be in vertical, and they should not hold the pencil at the end or at the beginning. They should hold the pencil at the given line. After practicing for holding this type of pencils, we will give them crayons, and then we will give them the color pencils, and finally we give them the normal pencils for writing practice. So holding pencil is also important. In these days, many adults don't have proper handwritings because they don't hold their pencils properly from their childhood. So only we want to rectify their corrections. We want to make our children to hold the pencil properly in this age. I am going to explain you how to hold the pencil. You should not hold the pencil in the middle or at the end. You should hold the pencil near the white part. So only you can get proper handwriting. If you are holding the pencil in this way or in this way, you should not hold like that. You should hold the pencil. A thumb finger should be on one side and another two fingers, index finger and middle finger, on the opposite side of the pencil. And you should, when you are writing, the pencil should be in vertical. So only you can get the proper handwriting. It is the right way of holding the pencil. So in this pre-writing sequence, we use this type of pencil which is especially made for kids, and it is made up of wood. In this pencil also, you have to hold the pencil near the line. Use the thumb finger on one side and index finger and middle finger on the another side. So the first board is standing line. The first board is standing line. We have to trace this from top to bottom. From top to bottom. This line is standing line. This line is standing line. And the next board is sleeping line. You have to trace this from left hand to right hand. This is sleeping line. And next one is zigzag. Zigzag is the sequence of two slanting lines. Whenever you trace, you have to keep the pencil in vertically. You have to start from the bottom and reach the top and then go to the bottom. This is zigzag line. And the next one is slanting line sequence. This board is the introduction of cursive patterns. And then the next board is U pattern. Because it's already carved, students make it easy to carve the patterns. And the final one is curve pattern. This is another type of edge pattern board. You have to keep this pencil in this hole. By using this apparatus, the children can know to hold the pencil vertically. If we trace with this apparatus, we can get the patterns like this. So far, we use these two apparatus for the beginners to trace, and now we are going to introduce them how to write by using these apparatuses. First, I am going to introduce them how to write using this metal inset apparatus. First, I am going to trace the shape. You have to use these three fingers, index finger, middle finger and thumb finger, to hold the knob, because this metal insert is weight, so only they can know how to balance the weighted objects like pencil, color pencils and crayons. So I am going to trace it. The kids want to hold the frame with by knob using these three fingers, and you have to hold the pencil near the white part and keep it vertically. And trace it. Using this square frame also, you can trace the square. Keep it like this. Hold the frame with your left hand and hold the pencil near the white part and keep it vertically. Now trace the square shape. So we have two squares. So in the pre-writing, you have to introduce standing line. So from top to bottom, standing line, standing line, standing line. From top to bottom, from top to bottom, standing line. And then the next pattern is sleeping line. You have to start from the left side and draw it to the right side. Sleeping line. Keep the pencil vertically. Sleeping line. sleeping line, sleeping line, sleeping line. Next pattern is zigzag. The two slanting line gives you zigzag. You have to touch the upper line and go to the bottom. And then a vertical zigzag. Now the next line is curve line. Touch the line. This is vertical curve line. Now I am going to draw horizontal curve line. By writing in this square pattern, it helpful for the kids to color within the picture. Completing the practice for pattern, then we will directly introduce them how to write the letters using this apparatus, a sandpaper card. This apparatus is made by sandpaper, which is rough to touch. By tracing it, the kids can realize how the letter comes out. So I am going to explain how to trace the letter. You have to join the index finger and middle finger together to trace the letter. So start here and trace it. You have to repeat it, so only the kids can realize how to write these letters. After finishing the tracing of these letters, then we will introduce this sand tray. It is a soft sand which is used for especially for kids. By using this, the child can practice. Child can trace this sandpaper tray by remembering the tracing activity in the sandpaper letter. So they write by themselves. So I am going to show. In this also you have to use index finger and middle finger together to write the letter. Take it. Again repeat it. Use these two fingers. By repeating this activity, they can realize how to write the letter, and they are also well known about the letter formation. This is how we will give writing practice for the kids in our school. In this week, we have completed the writing sequence. In next week, we will begin to write. Till then, thank you.